my backyard. It's a great oven. I mean, mine's a few years old. It still looks like it's brand new. And I bought it used from a gentleman that had to get rid of it because he had to move. And I love it. We cook lamb in it, chicken wings, ribeyes, filet mignons. Monday night I made chicken wings and chicken breasts, right? Yep. We do all sorts of stuff. We cook roasts in it, potatoes and green beans. I usually have 4 or 5 different plates going on. Little cast iron plates, and I put them all in and I rope them around. It's amazing. I have one of those therma things too. The yellow one, just like the one over there. And we love it. We love it. I'm Greek. My mom's Greek. She loves to cook, so a lot of stuff she gets stuff ready that I cook in the oven for her. But it's a lot of fun. What I do is when we cook the steaks, after the fire dies in the back, I bring the charcoal all the way up front, the natural charcoal, right? And I have a brick on either side, and I put my grill grate on right here, right here. And we cook the steaks right here. Amazing. They're amazing. I love it.